Hello, it's Lord Drifter back with another Pokemon unboxing video. This time we have a mystery tin here from my local card shop, where we have the a Boltund here, along with some other booster packs. Let's get right into it. You may have noticed our setup has changed today, because I have gotten a new webcam. Starts up with a Boltund. Yeah, okay. If I can get into it, maybe I can get it out of here. There we go. Now we got this cool Boltund V here. It's got 200 health. It does a decent amount of damage if you know how to play it right. Alright, now let's get into these other things here. So you can we start with a Erica's Execute. It is a Edition 1 card. Looks pretty cool. I'm gonna probably put that in a thing. We also have an Entei here. Looks pretty cool. Pretty mid. We got a Orbeetle here. Oh, it's not scratchy, but it looks scratchy. We have a full art Bird Keeper. I'm not sure what Bird Keeper does. Pretty mid. And a Executor V. And it looks to have some. It's a pretty good card. And we have a Moltres V, which has the ability of Die Fire Wings and the remove of Aura Burn. Now we go into the decks. We have two decks. We have Evolving Skies and a Shining Fates. Alright, let's get right into them. Alright. And this one starts out with a Tentacool. And then a Pikachu. And a Seedot. A Lillipup. Ooh, a Bagon. A Full Face Guard. And an Umbreon VMAX, which is a full art. That is pretty cool. We got an energy card, Aroma Lady, Rescue Carrier, and a Scrafty. And this next one is Shining Fates. Alright, let's open it up. That was pretty easy for once. It starts with a Grunky. I think that's how you say it. An Eevee. A Morpeko. A Chewel. Ninick, a Ghostafur, a Dreadnought, a Fighting Energy, and a Luxio, and a Floatzel, and a Darmatrix. I think Dartrix? Yeah, that's what you say, Dartrix. Then we have the scanning card. Alright. That seems to be everything for this pack. I'll look into the cards that I got here today. Some of the cool finds look to be Umbreon VMAX here. And Boltund, of course. Boltund V. Very cool. Also this Erika's... Oh yeah, also this Executor V and this Moltres V. Those are both very cool. And the Erika's Execute. Very cool, very cool. Alright. That's everything for today. Goodbye. I really should just bring scissors upstairs to cut these into my room.